Imagine earning money every month without having to work hours every day. Imagine achieving financial freedom and saying goodbye to the 9-to-5 grind. This isn't a dream, it's the reality of passive income. Keep watching, because in this video, you'll discover 10 proven ways to build your own income stream in 2025. Welcome to Capital Core. Passive income doesn't mean getting something for nothing. It means working hard once to build a system that then generates income. We've researched the best methods, from beginner-friendly options to more advanced strategies. Let's start with the first way, affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to get started. You promote the products or services of another company and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique link. You don't have to produce, store, or ship anything. You can do this through a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media. Digital products. Do you have specialized knowledge? Bundle it into an ebook, an online course, or a digital template. After you create the product once, you can sell it indefinitely with minimal effort. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy make it easy to launch and sell your digital products to a global audience. Dividend investing. This is a classic. Buy shares of companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. By investing smartly in stable dividend-paying companies, you receive periodic payments that you can reinvest. Rental real estate. While it requires a significant initial investment, rental real estate can be a very stable source of passive income. Whether you rent out an entire home or a room through Airbnb, rental income can significantly boost your monthly cash flow. Peer-to-peer lending. Through platforms like Mintos or Bondora, you can lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest on your investment. It requires some research to manage the risks, but it can offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts. Automatic investments. This is one of the most hands-off ways to put your money to work for you. Automatically invest a fixed amount each month in broad index funds or ETFs. These funds track the performance of the market as a whole, providing diversification and steady long-term growth. Print on demand. Have a creative side? With print-on-demand platforms like Merch by Amazon or Redbubble, you can create designs for t-shirts, mugs, and other products. You don't have to make or ship the products yourself. The platform does it for you as soon as an order comes in. YouTube. Monetization. Yes, YouTube itself can be a source of passive income. Once your channel meets the monetization requirements, you generate income from ads on your videos. With a so-called cash cow channel, you don't even have to show your face. It's all about creating valuable content that continues to perform. Renting out your stuff. Think of the items in your home you rarely use, a drill, a camera, or even your car. Websites like Turo, for cars, or local platforms for tools make it possible to rent out your belongings to others and earn some extra cash. Mobile app or software. If you have programming skills, you can create a mobile app or software. Once the app is in the App Store, it can generate revenue through ads or in-app purchases. This requires a large initial effort, but the potential for passive income is enormous. Conclusion and call to action. Creating passive income is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about building systems that give you financial freedom over time. The best way to start is to choose one of these 10 methods and get started today. Don't forget, you are the architect of your own financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more essential financial tips. And let us know in the comments, which method appeals to you the most?